Hello, friends. I welcome you especially to the Chima Dedicator video channels. Wherever you are listening to this video from, you are especially welcome. Here we talk about business, we talk about money, we talk about opportunities online, we talk about how to do quite a lot of things that help you in life. We talk about education technology. So in this video this morning, we'll be talking about Greengold. For some time now, I've been promoting Greengold, and I see it as a kind of a lifeline. The first video I prepared on Greengold, I called it a lifeline for Chimo members, since I acknowledge the fact that the majority of my subscribers are Chimo members, and currently Chimo is facing serious challenge, and many people are, disheartened. I know so many who listen to me and join Greengold. They are really happy they did. We've been working together and things actually happening. In this video, I am talking about the new way to activate your account in Greengold. You see, when you go into join a program, you follow through to know what is going on every single day. That's why sometimes I blame those who, they join a program, they hand it over to someone, they don't even care about it. They stay somewhere, they're asking, my money, has it come? Has it dropped? Check, listen, understand. And that's why we prepare videos like this. So if this is your first time of visiting our channel, do well to subscribe to this channel. Not only that, like this video, make a comment and share this video. And much more important, do not forget to join Greengold today. I'm going to drop the referral link in the comment, not in the comment now, in the description area of this video. Do well to subscribe, and if you can't see it, contact us, make a comment, we'll send you our details on WhatsApp so you ask us more questions. So that's it. Why I'm recording it, because for those who have been part of it, some time ago I recorded a video of how to do activation, but recently there's some fewer changes. The company said this is the best way we'll do it now. So this is very important. Whether you're activating for yourself through Bitcoin, or you want to activate for someone, you're a team leader and you want to activate for someone, that is what I want to show you now. Listen good. While I do this, I still have to show you my accounts, because some people who, they like doubt. This is for you to see $18 plus. Here means I've made a lot of withdrawals. I've registered people. So if you want to see what I've earned so far, that is exactly this total received. You could see it, and these are some other things, but they are not important for now as it concerns this video. So you want to activate. The first thing you do, listen to me. If you want to do it for yourself, some people say, yes, I want to do for myself. I don't want to send cash to anyone to do for me. So very simple. Look at what you're going to do. I'm using mobile here. I'm going to click here. Check for where you have financial. Are you seeing it? Look for where you have deposit under financial. Watch it right now. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Once you say deposit, watch what is happening now. This video is very important. Do you see the company has dropped a Bitcoin wallet address? So whatever you want to deposit is not the business of the company. It does not concern them. So having dropped this, so go to your wallet. It could be Coinbase, it could be Password, it could be Binance, whatever wallet you use Bitcoin. Go there. This address you're going to send it to any amount. Assuming you want to register for Eco 100, which is $100. You know that, because of the fluctuation in Bitcoin and all that, it won't make sense to still go about sending $100. You might decide to send 120 or 110 or 105. And you are sending it to land. Can you see there's a balance in my BTC? This is balance in US. That's my earnings. Balance in BTC means that I've sent some things. If I send this and I use part of it to make registration, so I still have some here. That means I can still use this to register someone or to upgrade my account. That's why I've seen this balance up to something thousand satoshis, yes, in my BTC wallet. So once you do that, after the normal Bitcoin confirmation, you are going to see instantly. It doesn't waste time. You don't need to do another thing. You don't need to snap yourself, send this one. No. Once the confirmation is over, visit your account. You're going to see the amount of BTC dropped here. So once it dropped, if you're a new person, all you need to know now you can see it has dropped. You now go into, for me, you are seeing upgrade echoes. Do you know why I'm seeing upgrade echo? Because I'm already a member. I've activated, so I can only upgrade. If you've not activated for once, you will see buy echo. So this is both for those who want to upgrade and to buy. So assuming I want to upgrade and I click here. If you're upgrading, it tells you if you're buying, but I'm not upgrading. So let me show you. It's all the same process. So you are going to see, you see all the packages line up. All the packages line up. So if you are just, and what you are seeing, this Eco 500, say I should 450 because I already have 50, I'm already on Eco 50. So I can only add 450. So once you do this, you're going to choose the pack you want to join and click on select Eco. Once you say select Eco, because you already have enough balance, if for instance you want to select Eco 100, I have already uploaded up to $100 and something in your BTC wallet. Once you click on select Eco 100, the system will go through and automatically you activate it. Very, very simple. You are automatically activated because it is with the Bitcoin balance in your wallet that the system will roll out and cut what is. And what the system does, it just take the exact 100% equivalent of the Bitcoin at that moment. You might, deposit $100 in your account, and by the time the system is cutting dollar fluctuation, Bitcoin fluctuation have made it, the system may cut 98, and the balance is still there for you. You won't touch it. So, but if you are activating for someone, like you're a team leader simply means you have someone under you. You are bringing in people, and you have, deposited this Bitcoin in your wallet here, and you know what it is. So to activate someone, I'm using this to touch two things now. To activate someone, all you need to do is what? Click on financial, click on activate a friend. You must have enough Bitcoin that cover what the person is activating for. For instance, now this amount I have already in my Bitcoin cannot activate Eco 50. It's not up to $50. It's around $30. So the highest I can activate now is $25. So it wouldn't make sense for me to come and be activating someone on Eco 50. No. But if someone in Eco 25 want me to activate, I will use it and it's going to go. So to activate person, the person must have registered. Just take the person's username and put in here where you have receiver username. Click on search user. Once you click on search user, as long as the person have already chosen the pack on his or her own end, the name will appear here with the exact amount he is to pay, and you're going to see transfer. You click on transfer, the system will cut from you, activate the other end. Simple and short. And this is the latest, newest way to do it. And it's very easy, very simple. You can do it on your own. You don't need to bother anyone. You don't need to, if you are lucky to have a Bitcoin wallet that charges lower fees, you're lucky. Because as it stands now, there are some Bitcoin wallets that you will use. The fees, transfer fee are so much. So if you're going to send in money across, whoever you're sending to will demand so much from you in order to send it. But if you are doing it on your own, good luck to you. So this is the simplest way to do activation at this time. I think the company has made things so easier for everyone. First, I'm going to stop this video at this point. Wishing you the best. Thank you so much. So remember, like I said, be part of this family. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you've not done so. Make your comments. Share with others. And if you are not yet a member of Greengold, please, you're just wasting time. Everything has been that easy. I made withdrawal yesterday, 2 hours. It's already on my wallet. This morning, I deposit instantly. In 30 minutes, it's already, deposited. Things are easy here. We can make fortunes while waiting for other opportunities around us. Thank you for this time.